If you love someone, get them chocolate. Or a subscription to OnePlateGourmet for regular bi-weekly content and the best ingredient recipes. Welcome back everybody to One Plate Gourmet, the show that not only focuses on plate dishes, but cup dishes as well. Let's make a mocha frap, shall we? Andale. 1 cup cocoa powder, 2 cups sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon xanthan gum, 3/4 cups oat milk, 1 chocolate bar of any chocolate variety, whipped cream, 3 tablespoons of your favorite brand coffee. The one I use is a friend's brand, CAFÉ TISTA. They make all their coffee homegrown straight from Colombia. I'll link them in the description as well, so you can check them out. Let's start with our chocolate syrup, which will contain 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of cocoa powder over medium heat and whisk till combined thoroughly. Once that's done, then add in your tablespoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Set aside and let cool to room temperature before bottling. Instead of cold brew, because of time of course, use 3 tablespoons depending on the strength of your coffee and brew as you would naturally, then just let it cool to room temperature as well. Next up is our binding agent. So same as before, 1 cup water to 1 cup of sugar and mix vigorously over medium heat. Once done and homogeneous, let it cool and return to room temperature. After it's cooled down, introduce the syrup to a blender with a tablespoon of xanthan gum. Now this step might be intimidating because if you blend too long, it'll come out gummy. So make sure you blend on high for just a few seconds till combined. Once done, transfer to a bottle and you have your xanthan syrup base. A couple tablespoons of this stuff and it'll help your Frappuccino hold itself together. Now to your blender add a bunch of ice, a couple squirts of your xanthan syrup, a whole lot of your chocolate syrup, a whole lot, your oat milk, and about a cup of your cold coffee. Blend on high for about 30 seconds and your Frappuccino is almost done. Decorate your glass with chocolate syrup on the sides because you love chocolate, and pour in your frap gracefully. If you did not work at Dunkin' Donuts, go ahead and ask for help on this part. Make a mess with your chocolate shavings on top and place 2 sticks of your chocolate, cause why not? And there you have it, a mocha frappuccino. Like always, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see I still don't have trailers for these anymore. I think I'm gonna stop doing them. But if you'd like to see another video on screen, YouTube will gladly recommend them to you. So check up there or over there. And as always, thanks for watching.